Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel and this is your weekly reading, third week of August, love and career. If you are a sun moon rising Scorpio, this reading is for you. So please do check your birth chart if you're not resonating with any of the readings. Let's begin. Your cards are already out. In your love life, you've got the two of stars and the devil card. Some of you could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon rising, or you could have a Libra Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. I do see that you want to start afresh with someone, like maybe you are in no contact with, or you have a crush and you are probably looking at some of your friends or family for some sort of help, right? Or this connection is through a female. Well, if you're aware of and if you're resonating with this story, this reading is for you. You are dealing with somebody who is toxic. If you're already married or in a relationship with this person and this person has been hot and cold with you or never committed to you, or you have been in a relationship for a very long time but this person still has not got married to you, let me tell you, they do not have any intention. Okay, and even if you're searching for such a person for future partner and somebody is giving you that kind of red flags, controlling, abusive, manipulative, right, or uh, narcissistic behavior. This is a person who's toxic. Even if they're telling you that they love you and they're going to marry you, maybe they are not. Okay. Please also make sure that they could be third party also, which means that your partner can also have extramarital affair with somebody else, because the devil card means a person who's just toxic. They will not stop at any cost. Okay. And you are very good for them. So I don't think that you should be with such a person. Whenever I see a devil card, I never advise someone to be with such a person, right? Because see, there are some things that you can work on, like compatibility issues. You can compromise. I always say that, right? Like your time is not going on, or this week is not good for you, so lay low. But with a devil card, with a toxic person, you cannot do anything. You cannot change a person's character or personality altogether, right? So the best way to move forward is to cut this person off. So if you can cut ties with such a person, please do. Also, if you are single and you do not have any such person around you, this person can be very well be your friends and your family members as well, who are toxic for you, okay, controlling, manipulative, or they're trying to push you in a situation where you don't want to be. Try to cut yourself out, move away from them, or maintain distance. Okay, this is a week where you will be dealing with a lot of toxicity in your personal relationships, close relationships. So be aware of that. If you can stay away from such people, please do. Let's see what's happening in your career now. You've got the Nine of Stairs and the Chariot. That was your love reading. If I said career, I'm sorry. I don't think I did, but I don't remember. So yes, in your career, you are expecting a lot of success, abundance, and money coming your way. And guess what? It is. Very beautiful cards to have, the Chariot card especially. It talks about your career, or whether you are in a job or your business, your life has been stuck for a while. Like for example, you applied for a loan, it's not coming through. You want to take some money, or your money is stuck somewhere, or you applied for a job, never heard from them. You gave exams but the results are still pending. Okay, the client deal is not finalized, so something or the other was there. This week your stuck life will start moving forward. You will see a lot of major changes, either good, either small or big, but definitely you will see a forward movement in your life. I also see a lot of you will be changing, switching jobs, or changing location altogether. Like maybe you, or some of you will also have to move to another city, state, or country for your job. I also see job related travel also, so you could be traveling extensively for your work. Other than that, I also see that there is a foreign connection also. For some of you, not all of you, you could be involved in foreign trade or receiving money in dollars or from foreign clients in some way, right? So there's a foreign connection also. No matter what you are going through, career or job, you are going to succeed and gain a lot of success and money this week. Okay, you will automatically see that okay, this week is better than your previous week. So overall, I do see that for career this week is really good, but for your personal lives, you really have to be on high alert. Okay, there is somebody who's very toxic in your life and you need to cut out. And I hope you guys resonated with this reading. If you did, I hope you do exactly how I warned you to. And yes, if you resonated with this reading, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you can get your readings in advance. Okay. Apart from that, this was a general reading. If you would like to book your own personal reading, if you have very specific questions regarding your own life, whether that's your health, children, money, exam, career, whatever, you can book a personal reading. Ask whatever questions that you want to ask. I do have packages available, rituals, counseling sessions, no contact readings, love connection readings, like a lot of services available, not just personal readings. So check out the description box, and if you would like to book any service, you can directly email me or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram also. That's a channel that I've opened up specially for you guys because I keep on putting the prices on my daily basis stories. My price list, my pinned post is there in the highlights also. So please go check that out. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe me on YouTube. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.